What is the difference between DS-11 and DS-82 forms? The primary difference between Form DS-11 and Form DS-82 comes down to whether you are applying for a passport for the first time or simply renewing an eligible adult passport. Form DS-11 is the official application for a new U.S. passport, which requires you to apply in person at an authorized acceptance facility, such as a post office or county clerk office. On the other hand, Form DS-82 is strictly used for adult passport renewals and can be completed and submitted directly by mail without needing an in-person appointment. You must use Form DS-11 if you are applying for your very first passport, if you are under the age of 16, or if your previous passport was issued when you were under 16. It is also required if your previous passport was lost, stolen, damaged, or issued more than 15 years ago. A critical requirement for Form DS-11 is that you must leave the signature line blank until you are instructed to sign it directly in front of an authorized acceptance agent during your appointment. Form DS-82 is eligible only if your most recent passport meets 5 strict conditions. It must be undamaged, in your physical possession to submit alongside your application, issued when you were 16 or older, issued within the past 15 years, and printed with your current legal name or accompanied by official proof of a name change. If your current passport fails to meet even one of these 5 specific requirements, you cannot use the mail-in renewal process and must apply in person using Form DS-11 instead. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.